Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan Developer. We are looking into entity framework tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the maximum and minimum value of the column in a particular table. So we have a table called student marks, and so as you can see, we have some rows in the student marks table. So let's find the maximum value of the total mark column. Okay, so for that we must use the max method in an SQL server. So we have a max function here, and we must specify the column name also. So if I execute, so we have the maximum value from the total mark column. Okay, so let's write the equivalent entity framework statement to find the maximum value of total mark column. Okay, so max mark equal to mydb context student marks dot. Now we have a method to find the maximum value of the column. As you can see, we must write the lambda expression to select the column to find the maximum value. So we are going to find the maximum value from the total mark column. So yeah, that's it. So you can see, so we have the maximum value in the result. We have a highest mark in the result. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can write the entity framework statement to find the maximum value from the particular column. And now I'm going to show you sorry how to find the minimum more minimum value from of the column values. Okay, so now we have 83 is the least mark, right? So now, so we have, in the same way, we have a minimum method to find the minimum value. That's it. We have the 83. We have the same result. So this is how you can find the minimum and maximum value by using maximum methods in entity framework tutorial, entity framework statement. And yeah, if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So yeah, in the next video I'll come up with a different topic of entity framework tutorials. Bye.